Start your day with water to kickstart digestion and energy. A fiber and protein-packed breakfast keeps you full and energized. Healthy snacks like nuts or veggies with hummus are perfect for midday cravings. Add greens to meals whenever you can. They're packed with nutrients. Keep sipping water throughout the day for energy and focus. Eating slowly helps you enjoy your food and feel satisfied. Fill half your plate with veggies, a quarter with protein, and a quarter with grains. Herbal tea can be a great way to wind down and support digestion. If you're hungry at night, choose something light and protein-rich. Small, balanced changes make a big difference. Follow for more tips.